Are you tired of losing money trading meme coins every single time you buy inside a meme coin? Well, I was too, until I stopped trading and I started launching. That's how I made $8.2 million. Watch this video, bro. Trust me, you do not want to miss this video. Now, the volume in the market is really low, bro. Solana is at $120, and every single trader on chain, bro, is losing money to the devs of these coins, and that's exactly why I switched to deving. Now, trading meme coins is a losing game. Every single time you buy inside a meme coin, bro, you get completely dumped on until zero, just like this coin right here, bro. The coin pumped, and every single trader lost their money to the dev of this coin. Now, that is why you have to be launching coins, because launching flips the game in your favor. You control the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative, and there is nothing to lose by launching coins because, bro, creating coins costs literally $0. Okay, you guys will see later on into this video. Anyways, I am making this video because I will show you guys exactly how to dev meme coins and then dump it for generational wealth. And yes, it is a repeatable strategy that you can do over and over again. And by the way, bro, this entire content is for educational purposes only. I am not giving away financial advice. It is all fake. Now, the most common question I receive every single day on Discord, on Telegram, on X is, where do I dev my meme coins? Now, a lot of people dev them on Pump.Fun, but that's a mistake, and let me explain why. Pump.Fun is completely flooded, and when you launch a meme coin here, bro, they control your liquidity pool, so you cannot actually cash out your money, and also, there's too many coins and it's fucking oversaturated. So if you launch a meme coin, bro, you have no chance of graduating onto the Raydium DEX. So that's why you have to be using createcoins.io, because this launchpad changes everything and your coin goes straight to Raydium onto the Raydium DEX right here, and it skips the bonding curve, which means your coin will be viewed by tens and thousands of people right on the spot once it's launched on this launchpad. This is why people are gatekeeping this launchpad, and here's how to make a meme coin on this website. There's two methods. The first method is to launch from scratch on this tab right here, the first tab, right? So you need a narrative. Go on X and look for a narrative. Right now, the Epstein files are really fucking trending, okay? So anything Epstein files related will kind of do well, okay? Now any joke will do well too. Any political news, just anything, right? Once you have a narrative, come back to create coins, invent a name, add a quick symbol, you know, the basics, click on image, just like that. And after that, bro, your meme coin is custom created on chain. But the second method is actually my go-to strategy because it's the most profitable, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now, these coins already have attention, so copying them right here will give you instant momentum and higher profit potential, bro. Now, that is why I copy coins, because, bro, you already have narratives that are going viral, so by copying them, you are just pocketing profits in your own copy, and that is how I make thousands of dollars a day. Alright, let's move into action and copy a coin. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh, and now let's copy a coin. I will copy the fart coin real quick. It has it as by 5 seconds ago and it looks decent. Click on create coin. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just wait a bit. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page and this right here, okay, is really fucking straightforward. It's actually easier to do it than to fucking exit. Now basically, for the amount token A, here we are just setting up the liquidity pool for your coin. Just tap on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is essentially your opening buy into your project. You are not losing any money here. It is temporarily locked to activate the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and once the liquidity is removed later, that's so okay, don't worry, it will return to you back later. It's simply the first buy. I'm going to put 0.32, so just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the fourth coin is now fucking live and your PNL will show up right here. Now, if you click on the refresh button to check your profits, show up right here. Now we're up $130, which is not too shabby. Click on view on Photon or any other platform. Let me go on full screen, and now the coin is live. Okay, everything is looking good. We are getting transactions in our coin. This is what we like to fucking see. Okay, let's fucking go. Oh my god, someone just bought for $61. Okay, $10. Okay, bro, let's fucking go. I need more buyers in my pocket, bro. Bro, this is what I'm telling you guys, okay? Deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. Like, trading meme coins, you could lose your money at any given moment, but here, we created this coin for completely free, and now we're getting buyers in our coin, bro. Let's fucking go. Now, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the $3.55 thousand market cap and $1.7 thousand in liquidity. Now, I think it's time to dump the coin. Come back to createcoins.io and then click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1.7 thousand. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin, then just wait. And now, as you guys can see, bro, we're gonna receive around 13.35. So, click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins, bro. Now, if I open the wallet for proof, you guys can see that I just received the entire payout straight inside my Phantom wallet. It's insane, bro. Bro, it's actually insane, bro. Just try it for yourself and let me know in the comments down below what happens and how much you fucking make. Join my Discord, join my fucking Telegram for free. You can DM me there if you have any questions. And yeah, bro, peace.